Hi, I'm Mr. Paul. You are watching Easy Talk. In present, the Chief Justice of Apex Court, means Supreme Court, is now D.Y. Chandrachud. But he will go to the retirement in 10th November 2024. After that, who will become the next Chief Justice in India? Central government sent a letter to present Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud that to suggest a name who will become the next Chief Minister. And Chandrachud reply and suggest the name of Sanjeev Khanna. Who is Sanjeev Khanna? Sanjeev Khanna is now the Justice of Supreme Court, and he did his work as a Justice of Delhi High Court also for a long time. This journey started in the year of 1983, and in 2005 he became the additional judge in Delhi High Court. And after 1 year, in 2006, he became the permanent judge in Delhi High Court. He has a lot of experience in his field, in his criminal law as well as civil law. He did Kejriwal well in the interim bail in the time for election. You know, everybody. So he suggests this name Sanjeev Khanna. And in present, Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, he also a good man and concerned about India. He have a great knowledge and great talkative man. Every problem in India, he give speech to solve in your experience. So D.Y. Chandrachud, he many times he takes charge arbitrarily for various type of problems in India and try to solve with his cognizance and knowledge. So he suggests the name Sanjeev Khanna. There have some procedure to be a chief justice. There are some recommendation for various segment, and after that it will signed by the Rashtrapati, by the president, and after that a judge become chief justice in India. So they have a long procedure, and if Sanjeev Khanna, he would be the 51 chief justice in India, then he spent his tenure only for 6 months, because in 13 May 2025 he will got retirement, and we think it would be great journey if he will do work as a chief justice in India, and wish him best.